Hello guys, in this video I will share some cool top 10 coolest new tech gadgets that can be blow up your mind. Watch this video till end. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Also give this video a like. So let's start. First gadget is Y-Brush 10 to 15 second deep cleaning toothbrush. Now you think toothbrush? Yes, we always use these types of brushes but still not deep cleaning. This Y-Brush cleaning your teeth in 10 or 15 seconds. It has nylon bristles with some deep cleaning action. It is fully automatic. It is a brass method which you will get antibacterial and waterproof, easy to clean, and you will also get mouth pierced top with wireless charging in it. You will also get 1 month autonomy with some interchangeable handle. Always our mom keep running behind in the school morning to do the brush, but here is the change. Just apply the toothpaste on it, then put this in brush. You will get multiple size option, family size and also hand free. Isn't it great, na? Let's move on to the next gadget. Your next gadget is Fitbit Charge. Fitbit Charge is to improve your health. Now you can know yourself. The most advanced tracker, it can check your heart rate 24 by 7 plus complete 100% water resistant up to 50 meters. All new insight to know your health, how many calories you burn, your sleeping schedule, all this come at the gadget. You can stay connected to your day, text notification, replies, call notification, weather updates, online payments, app notification. All this come on your wrist using this gadget. All product links is in the description below. Ring Fit Adventure Gadget. Ring Fit Adventure Gadget is a virtual game come with ring and some motion detection sensor. Do exercise while playing, isn't it fun? Gather all your friends and family and enjoy this gadget and make some little competition in your home and enjoy this gadget with everyone. The next gadget is Skyrim Soils. Your next gadget is Skyrim Soils. Skyrim Soils is your next level global Wi-Fi hotspot and power bank. It comes with 4G LTE super fast speed worldwide with 16 hours long lasting battery life. Excited? Also 6000 mAh embedded power bank with USB-C connector means you can USB turning all in simple share network via USB. Unlimited data in 100 plus countries, public smart on demands. You can share mobile Wi-Fi for 5 gadget. Isn't it fast, smart, wonderful gadget? Is it? Let's move on to the next one. Your next gadget is Philips 9000 Prestige Shaving. Philips shaving your beard. Yes, this Philips 9000 Prestige is a very awesome shaving gadget unlike the others. It comes with wireless QI charging pad with some motion sensor display. Just turn it on, apply and start it shaving. This gadget shave extreme close to the skin with ultra sharp, narrow tech, precision blade even in the tricky areas. Whoa ho ho. Superb skin comforts ring with anti-friction coating for extra smooth gliding and beard adapt sensors for easily cleaning to automatically just to beard density. Simple as that, in just 5 minutes clean shave to impress your girl. All links are in the description box. Now guys, this gadget can surely blow up your mind. It is Bluetooth pillow speaker. Yeah, it comes a USB port and also with a USB cable. There is a one slide click to turn on. Now to check, press and hold like this for up to 15 to 20 seconds. Now connect your Bluetooth. Once you connect, play music and just enjoy. So our next gadget is the Nomondo Tri Wireless Fast QI Charging. It comes with heating cooling plate. You will get fast charging wireless QI charger, perfect for your office, your gaming setup. You can also keep your coffee hot and your drinks with ice cold chilled. Just simple plug in the AC adapter. Press the power once for cold and press twice for heat, and your heat plate up in seconds. You can also charge your phone with no wires. Isn't it great? Let's move on to the next gadget. The next gadget we are going to see is Theragun G3 Pro. Now, this particular type of gadget is far best massaging your muscle. It helps you to relax your extreme muscles or joint pain. This gadget calls the Theragun G3 Pro, the ultimate solution for your full body recovery with pain relief, muscle activation, relaxing a revolution in a narrow muscle science with 16 amplitude for deep tissues. Work with 2400 rpms for immediate recovery and relief. This gadget applies 60 lbs of pressure to release not 2 speeds with 4 ARM positions with 6 attachments and industrial grade motor. 75 minutes battery life. Physician calibrate ergonomies. 2 batteries for continuous use. Recommend this product. Number 9 gadget is Tap Strap. This all-in-one super control with just tap. You can control remote screens just by pointing your finger. It's changing the perspective all over the globe. Yes, you can type by tapping on any surface, and also you can active your favorite apps. Tap is a plug and play input solution for page down and up. It is optimized for iPad. Using this gadget, you can play virtual games, and Tap opens up a world of opportunities. You can actually feel you in the game or in the virtual world. It can turn any iPad into the world's most profitable computing station, and its ergonomic. Just tap controls your TV or any Bluetooth device. You can easily operate and support common applications like your media player or taking outdoors perfect crazy selfies with your friends. You can purchase this on Amazon and tapwithus.com for $99. Now guys, our last but simple gadget is Tape. This is a new simple effective gadget. Put it on your wash basin top, turn it on your wash basin, rinse it and squeeze it to drink or wash your mouth. This is a two-way gadget. When you press from the bottom, you will get drink or wash mouth. It comes in all colors. Tapi simple.